Alright guys, now it's your turn to try this problem. Let's get to it. Welcome back. So now we're ready to check this problem. Again, if you're not finished, just push pause. So you have to look at this picture and really see what the picture is showing. So if I look here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I have one group of 6 times, going this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. And I have 4 shaded in. So now I need to count all the boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So that's going to be my denominator. And I just counted by 6 this way because there's 6 in each row. And how many actually have 2 colors? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 30, which can be reduced to 2/15. Now let's do it the quick, easy way. Multiply my numerators, give me 4. Multiply my denominators, give me 30. And that can be simplified by 2 and give me 2/15. So we get the same answer both ways. Hopefully you did super